Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can apply for the business card of Wells Fargo bank account. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So before you apply for the credit card, first thing you need to make sure that you already have a bank account, and only then you'll be able to apply for it. So the first thing you need to open up your web browser, and then on the search box you need to type in www.wellsfargo.com/biz/business credit card. You can also find this link on my description box below. As you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site. So once you're directed to the official site, you need to slightly scroll down and then tap on credit card with reward, which is right over here. As you click on it, you'll be directed to the application portal. So here you have the information regarding the card, so make sure to go through it. So in order to apply for it, just click on apply in the bottom right corner. So once again, there are statements. So on this page, make sure to go through it and then scroll down. Now these are the confirmations, so make sure to go through it. And after that, you need to provide the user ID and your password associated to the Wells Fargo bank account. As I've already mentioned before, that in case if you don't have a bank account on your Wells Fargo, then you'll not be able to apply for the credit card. So after you provide your username and your password, next page will be directed to the application portal where you need to enter the bank information. And as you enter your bank information, there will be a confirmation, and after you confirm your identification, find about the request, and within 10 to 5 days you'll be receiving your Wells Fargo business credit card. So that is how you can apply for your Wells Fargo business credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.